Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Stremio properly. Well, as you can see here, I'm entering my Stremio. On the left side you will get this feature of add-on. Now tap on it and here you will find this three menus. So the first one is official add-on. So this is by official by Stremio. So it's already installed in your Stremio. So as you can see, you will only get an option to uninstall, right? And this is a community add-on, so this is made by Stremio community. So it's not installer, basically you can install in it a Stremio and it's really useful. Some of them, right? For example, this open subtitles. So whenever you're watching something, you can use this to get a subtitle which doesn't have a official subtitle. And this is my add-on. So this is basically which is installed by me. For example, I can watch YouTube on Stremio, and right now I just installed Torrentino, which I can use it and it's really easy, right? So this is the thing which is open subtitle, right? And here to use it, for example, if I play something here, I can use that feature automatically on my Stremio, whichever TV shows or movies, whatever I'm streaming, right? So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.